What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're breaking down Webex Meetings, the collaboration tool that's been making waves with its AI features and customer experience enhancements. Is it the right fit for your team? Let's explore its strengths, weaknesses, and everything in between. Webex is more than just a video conferencing tool. It's a comprehensive collaboration hub packed with AI innovations to make meetings smarter and more efficient. The platform delivers crystal clear video and audio along with handy features like virtual backgrounds, noise removal, and gesture recognition, which adds a fun and professional touch to calls. The AI-powered Webex Assistant is a game-changer, offering real-time transcription, meeting recaps, and even detecting the speaker's tone to improve communication dynamics or businesses focused on customer experience. Webex provides tailored solutions like interactive webinars, customizable meeting spaces. Integration with popular productivity apps like Slack and Salesforce makes it a versatile choice for teams already embedded in those ecosystems. On the flip side, some users report occasional glitches with screen sharing or connectivity, though these issues are relatively rare. The learning curve for advanced features might also be a hurdle for less tech-savvy users. Pricing can be a bit prohibitive for freelancers or startups, especially when compared to more budget-friendly alternatives. Despite these drawbacks, Webex remains a top contender in the collaboration space, particularly for enterprises needing robust security and AI-enhanced productivity tools. Webex offers a range of pricing plans tailored to different needs, starting with the free Webex Free tier, which includes unlimited 40-minute meetings for up to 100 attendees, screen sharing, local recording, calendar integrations, noise cancellation, unlimited messaging, and basic security features. For more advanced capabilities, the Webex Meet plan costs $144 per user annually or $12 monthly, adding AI assistant access, 24-hour meeting durations, support for 200 attendees, 10 GB of cloud recording, live polling, and advanced support. The Webex Suite Meet Call tier, priced at $270 per user annually or $22.50 monthly, builds on this with business phone features like a dedicated number, call transfers, visual voicemail, and unlimited domestic calling, plus international calling. For large enterprises, Webex Enterprise provides custom solutions supporting up to 1,000 attendees, enhanced security, and additional features. So, is Webex the ultimate meeting platform? It depends on your needs, but it's certainly a strong option. Drop a comment below if you've used Webex, love it or hate it. I want to hear your thoughts. Hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.